Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I kind of want to start this as a little series. That's if you guys like it, that is. And that's going to be me unboxing my IPSY bag that I get every single month. So yeah. So basically we're just gonna unbox it together, you know, enjoy the experience together and see how many goodies I get inside and what kind of goodies I get inside, of course. If you guys don't know what IPSY is, it's basically a subscription bag that you get every single month, and it's like a beauty bag. So, you know, makeup, skincare, all of that. I can't remember off the top of my head how much it costs right now, but I will have it on the screen right here. So, and that is in Canadian, by the way, so yeah. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm so excited to open this, so I think we should just dive right in. I just caught a glimpse of the bag. It looks so pretty.
Oh my gosh.
It's stuck. So first thing I'm noticing is that we have a little peach face mask. Is this a face mask? Yeah, so it is a face mask. This is really cool. I've never gotten a face mask in one of my bags before, so I am super excited about that because I love face masks, like so much. So that is what it looks like. And this is the bag for this month. It's like a really pretty emerald green color and with a gold zipper. So that's what it looks like up close there. Really, really pretty. I always look forward to getting the bags because they're so cute. So let's open it up and see what we got. I'm so excited. All right, so this is just a card that tells you everything that you get inside. So I'm not gonna look at that yet. But first thing I see, oh my gosh, I'm actually so, whoa, okay. So this is a Huda Beauty lip pencil in the shade Trophy Wife. That's actually so cool. I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty before. Wow, that's so pretty, oh my gosh. So that is the swatch of it right there. That's so pretty. That's gonna be such a pretty like everyday color. And there's that. Okay, I'm already super impressed. This is an awesome way to start out the bag. So let's see what else we got. All right, next thing is a IPSY product and it's in some bubble wrap. So let's take that off. So this is a blush by IPSY and it's in the shade Peach Parfait. Let's take the plastic off so we can see how pretty this is. I always have such a hard time trying to get like the plastic off of things, I swear. This looks so pretty, you guys. Let's give it a little swatch. Okay, so it's a little bit sheer, but it has such a nice glow to it. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it on camera, but there it is. And there's the blush. IPSY is another brand that I've never tried before, but I've heard really good things about it, and I just love their packaging. It's so pretty with like the green. I don't know, I think it's so cute. So this is the next thing here. Don't have a clue what this is, so let's see. So this is a eyeshadow from the brand Space Case Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before, but I love their packaging. Just look at that. How pretty is that? Let's open this up. Ooh, this looks like a really pretty shade.
Ooh, love that.
It's not typically something I would wear because I really only wear warm eyeshadow all the time. Really pretty silver eyeshadow, but it has like kind of purple undertones with it as well. And that's the eyeshadow there. Okay, I have somehow managed to get this all over my hands, so that's wonderful. I'm so excited to try this. This looks like it's gonna be really, really pigmented, so very excited for this. So far, this is a pretty good bag, so I'm really impressed. This is actually the last thing in the bag, so this is a, what is this? Oh, it's a little leave-in cream for your hair. This is the first hair product that I've ever gotten in an IPSY bag. It's by the brand Eva NYC, so that is what it looks like there. As always, I gotta do a little sniff test, so. It's really light. It almost smells like coconut, sort of, like a very, very light coconut scent. I'm also slightly getting some like Play-Doh hints from this. I'm actually really excited for this because I pretty much always have frizzy hair unless I straighten it. Should we just put some in right now? I wonder, do you need to have damp hair with this or no? Yeah, so it is for damp hair, but honestly, let's just be rebels today and put a little bit in on the ends of my hair. Oh wow, it smells really good actually once you kind of get it out of the tube. We're just being rule breakers today and that's okay. It's funny because my mom was literally just talking about how she wanted to find a good product for like leaving in your hair and kind of like taming down the frizz. So hopefully that does this, and I'll probably just end up giving this to her, to be honest. So this is everything that we got in the bag this month, and to be honest with you, I'm actually super impressed. I mean, the only little sample size that we got was this hair cream. Everything else seems to be regular size. Yeah, I'm actually super impressed, and this honestly might be one of my favorite bags so far. I think we should try some of these on. What do you guys think? Yeah? Okay, so obviously the one thing that I'm not gonna be able to really get to test out is this little leave-in treatment. I mean, I did put some in, but obviously you're supposed to have it with damp hair, and my hair is very dry and frizzy right now. But what I can say is that it smells really great, slightly like Play-Doh, but still really great. So I think the first thing I want to try out is this little lip contour by Huda Beauty. So I do have something on my lips already, but it's kind of faded and it's barely there. So I'm just gonna put this on top and kind of blend it out and see what it looks like. So I only lined my bottom lip so far, and right off the bat, I can tell it's super creamy. It's really pigmented. It's not one of those lip pencils that's really chalky. I hate those that make your lips so dry. Hate them. Went ahead and lined my lips with it, but I also kind of filled it in and just dabbed it out, and I really like the color. Like I said, super creamy, not chalky whatsoever. So I'm super impressed with this. Next thing we're gonna try is this Pixie blush, and I'm so excited because I can't tell you how much I love blush. My glasses are off, so I seriously can't see a thing. So hopefully I don't apply this like a clown. So I probably have those stupid little annoying glasses lines on my nose, but here's the blush. It's actually really pretty. Like, it has a really subtle glow to it. I had to put my glasses back on because it was driving me insane. But like I was saying, I love the glow that it has to it. It almost acts like a highlighter as well. And it's this really pretty light pale pink, and I can tell that this is gonna be one of my new favorite blushes for sure. So next thing is this Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow. So I think I wanna apply this with my finger because it does seem like a really soft eyeshadow, and I think that kind of just, you know, works the best. So I just added a little bit of that eyeshadow kind of on my lid and inner corner, and oh my gosh, this eyeshadow is so pretty. It's so pigmented as well. Alright, so that was everything in my IPSY bag this month, and I have to say, this is definitely one of my favorite bags. Absolutely love the products so far, and I love how they're pretty much all full size. That's amazing. Make sure to let me know if you guys want to keep seeing these, and I definitely will. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go check me out on Instagram. It's always linked down below. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!